Hello everyone, my name is Damilola and I am making this video to publicly apologize to my followers, my friends and everyone that has been affected by the altercation I had earlier in the house with my fellow housemates. I want to take a moment to sincerely apologize for my behavior because I believe and I know now that it was completely out of line, and I regret my words, my actions, and I take full responsibility for everything that I said. I want to use this medium to publicly apologize and personally apologize to Wanni, Onyeka, OC and OZ and SOOJ. I am so sorry, and